Hey guys, it is Steven with Soulweb.org, where internet marketing meets integrity. And in today's video, I want to show you something uh, that you can get away with on Facebook ads using instant forms, spending only $7.50 a day to get leads and generate leads for people. Now, this is something I've done for myself, for my brother, for my cousin, and for business owners when they need it. And it's so easy to do. I thought it would be a great topic for this video because maybe you want to run ads for yourself, or maybe you want to run ads for other people and charge them for it. And this is a great place to start. So I'm going to switch windows here from this window to another window, and I really hope it works. Otherwise, I'm going to have to remake this video, but YOLO. So let's see. I'm going to switch over here, and hopefully you can see this. And I'm sorry it's taking me so long to get the next video out. I've been pretty busy with the holidays, and we had my daughter 9 weeks ago. So I'm sitting down to do this, and I know I said our next video was going to be a Bing Ads video, but I'm going to try to record that one today too. Just first, I wanted to show you this one because my brother spent probably $600 on ads and pulled in like 20K selling, his service. So if we zoom out here and even just do the maximum, you can see it was this landscaping ad right here. I got 43 leads at $16 a pop, spent $681 targeting, where he lives. Obviously, it's not landscaping season, so he's turned this off for now. But I just kind of want to show you the format, right? So when we're in Facebook ads, and how we're going to set this up is we're going to just, make the campaign name on the first tab up here at the top. Because, of course, everyone knows that Facebook ads platform is set up really strangely. Then the second one is the ad group, okay? And on the ad group, you're going to select instant forms, just like that. And then you're going to select the Facebook page you want the ad to show from. So if it's your own business, you would select your Facebook page. If it's someone else's business, you would select that one once you had shared account access and everything else. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to set $7.50 a day. And you're going to come down to the audience locations and set the location. Could be nationwide, could be, a certain location in a city or a state. For us, my brother's landscaping business serves all around Nashville. So you can select Nashville, Tennessee, but to kind of narrow it down, I select the rate, like the radius point is Nashville International Airport plus 13 miles. That plus number basically means the amount of space around a location. Next, we're going to select some different Advantage Plus audiences to kind of guide the algorithm. Age 25 to 65 plus. The reason we selected that age was because my brother sells expensive landscaping, so younger people probably can't afford it. All genders. And then for detail targeting, we selected household income top 5%, household income top 10%, household income top 10 to 25%. So I'm trying to weed out people that don't match these numbers because they can afford my brother's service. So pretty easy on the targeting, but of course you can go as deep or as shallow as you want to with it. Just really try to think about who's your target customer, who can afford your service, and how can you use them with Facebook settings to find them. Facebook has a ton of settings. You can literally put anything in here. Maybe, you want to run ads for a construction, for people who need construction, or um, uh, home builders or whatever. You just need to search and really dive deep in here to find it, and you can build it out as much as you want. Thankfully, because it's landscaping, a lot of people need landscaping, so I tried to keep it a little bit general to reach more people. So then you come down here, and this is called the ad level. Now the trick to getting these to work is you want to let them run, right? You want to let them run. You want to have an appealing picture, just like this, any kind of picture. So in this example, it's landscaping. This is work that he has done. It's really eye-popping. The landscaping is front and center. And when you let it run, it gets a lot of engagement, just like you see down here. And, you might say, I don't know how to write ads or whatever, but just stick to this format for something like this. It doesn't have to be, some crazy copywritten thing. It can just be pretty straightforward. So on the ad side, have a large landscaping project, right? So I'm qualifying that it's a large landscaping project. Now, I'm not directly saying it, but you can, intuit that a large landscaping project is going to cost a little bit of money. So that's called posturing. We're posturing for the people that are going to fill this out by letting them know, like, hey, we work on expensive stuff. That way, if they get hit with a high quote, they're not going to think it's weird. We are Middle Tennessee's local landscaping guys. We can help you with your projects, large or small. We have all 5-star reviews. Click the link below to get a free quote or shoot us a text or call at the phone number. Thank you. And that's it, right? Friendly, professional, kind of qualified a bit, talking about all the 5-star reviews. And then headline, free landscaping quote. Now, the form that it's using, it's just like this. Free lawn care and landscaping quote. Fill out your information for a free quote. What service do you need? Okay, great. Fill out your information with your address and submit, and you can view our website. Pretty straightforward. Now, one thing I do to help the vendor is I go into Zapier, which is a back-end integration thing, so that every time they get a lead, it'll send them an email, right? So in this case, they got 43 emails. You don't have to set that up, but I'm going to walk you through how to do it here in a second. But Facebook does store the leads on the Facebook side. So if you'll click there, you can actually download all the leads, right? I'm not going to do that right now for the sake of this video. But let me go over here and show you how to set it up on Zapier so that you can set it up to email people. So I'm going to go over here to my Zaps. I'm going to go to Black Diamond Ads. And then when I hit create, I'm going to select Facebook Leads Ad, and it's going to pull up, it's going to say, hey, you need to connect your Facebook account or the Facebook account that the lead form is on. Since this is on his Facebook account, I had to get his password and connect it. And then it's going to take you to configure, and it's going to say which form. And it can default to any form, and that's fine. But just you would select the actual form, and then you would hit test. Well, it's going to take you to test. You're going to hit find new records. And if it's a new form that hasn't been made, it'll populate with a test record. So then you're going to select that. You're going to hit continue with the selected record. And then you're going to hit the plus and hit Gmail. And so you're going to select Gmail, and you're going to select send email, and then you're going to sign into a Gmail account. This is just a Gmail account I don't use. I just use it for my Zaps to send emails. And then you're going to hit configure, and you're going to have who you want the emails to go to. So I had them go to Marvin, which is my brother's business partner, and myself, so I could see every time that a lead came through. You're in the from field, you're going to put the email, you're going to put the from name. This can be whatever you want. I just have it as my name. Then the subject, you're going to put Black Diamond Lawns lead. In the body, you're going to select plain. And then right here, you're going to fill out everything they can do in the form. Street address, what they need, full name, email, phone number, street address. And then what that's going to do, and please forgive my inbox here, what that's going to do is send an email every time you get a lead, and it's going to look like this. And now the business owner is getting emails every time somebody fills out their form. Super easy to set up, but you do need to Zapier account to do it. Thankfully, you don't have to do that. You can, like I said, just get it off Facebook. And I've done this for multiple businesses. Like if we can come over here, you'll see it. If it'll let me, yeah, it's going to let me in. Great. This one's been running a really long time and it's very profitable. And again, it's literally just $7 a day. So this month it's already gotten 3 leads. He's getting leads for a very high ticket expensive service, which happens to be bridges. He's down here. He's making, spending $7.50 a day, targeting his locations. We didn't do any Advantage Plus targeting here, but what you can't see is this has over like 125 likes, right? So it's been running that long. Need a bridge on your property? We are Middle Tennessee's local property services company. We have all 5-star reviews. Fill out the form below for a free estimate or call/email. See, straightforward. It's gotten a ton of leads. It's got a picture of the bridge and the types of bridges they can build. And again, when they click to fill out the form, it's just straightforward, free bridge estimate. Need a bridge on your property? Fill out your information for a free estimate. Summary of what you need, enter your answer, and then you're done. Straightforward. Let's look at how many leads this has gotten. 66. He spent $1,500 and his cost per lead is $22. Now, every time he sells one of these bridges, and I think he sold several at this point, I'll have to ask him, he's probably making anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000. So you can see that this can really work with whatever you're in. In fact, I just put one of these up for myself because I like to run ads for people and it doesn't take very long. I probably make $3 or $4 grand a month just running ads for people, just in paying for my labor. So I decided to put one up and we'll see how that goes. Maybe I can make another video talking about my results from that because I'm going to let it run for a while. And for my example, I am doing it with a video. So I just made a quick video. I put some longer copy in it and I'm just letting it run. So if it doesn't do well, because with ads, you just need to make sure, you're going to test and you're going to see. And if it doesn't do well, I might just make it very straightforward, like these 2 ads I just showed you, and try to see if I can generate some additional business that way. But as you can see, at $7.50 a day, it comes out to like $210 a month, maybe a little bit more. So if you can invest $210 a month in yourself, you don't even need a website. You just need an instant format, and you need to either check it manually, like I showed you over here. Well, it would be right here, and you could click a button, and it would pull it up. You can see I just put this up a couple days ago, and start to generate clients that way. So I hope that this video was helpful. Leave a comment and a like below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have questions. I'm happy to make follow-up videos in the future. And the next video I am going to make is my in-depth Bing Ads tutorial, because Bing Ads is like Google Ads, except 10 years ago. So I will get you that video sooner rather than later. But I wanted to make this one first because this works and it's very easy for anyone, even with a minimal skill level, to implement it. So I hope this helps. Don't forget, you can join the Soulweb Mastermind in the Facebook group and in the description. All right. Talk to you later, guys.